Okay, hopefully we are recording. This is retake number 2 now. So let's talk about stuff we're going to be doing today. And one of the things we're going to talk about today is if you have recently switched to Windows 8.1 or Windows 10, one of those two operating systems. If you don't like the column on the side of Windows File Manager, hopefully this will help you in a way, but if it doesn't work, but if you want to give it a try, see if it works for you, all mean give it a try if it does. But if it doesn't work, which I had experienced this, which I had very different experience on my custom PC and on my Lenovo laptop. So another thing too is there was other tutorial of how to get window File Explorer to look in a different way, you know. So there's a lot, but you know, I'm gonna show you this pretty cool software after the intro, okay? So, if you're not happy of the look of your Windows File Manager, which I'm going to overlay a shot because my earlier clip of me trying to attempt this did not work out the way I was planning to do on this laptop. For a reason, works just fine on my custom PC, but on here, it was not perfect. So I don't know if my video is gonna be very useful in the way or totally useless. So so be cautionary if it some reason doesn't work. But I have a funny feeling there's a lot of online material. So if this doesn't work, I'm pretty sure there's another way to get to work. So, but anyway, let's get on to the screen. So on the screen, I'm using Google as my search engine. So, um, if you're using a different search engine, your search engine might be organizing it in a different way. So I'm not sure. If you went to a different search engine, if the website is going to be in the same layout or same listing placement or not. So, as you can see, there's plenty of way to get you, get you Windows File Explorer looking like or get organized like the previous operating system like Windows 7 and Windows Vista. So, hopefully this is the correct link. So, this is a little website, if I can get the mouse to work, maybe not. I will zoom in or I put text overlay of the site, but it does show you a software called New Old Explore configuration. So pretty simple little software. So it's give you a lot of functionality back, you know. So as you can see. Yeah. So yeah, window. I don't like the column side of how they recently just that clumps up together. Windows 8.1 that's a little bit worse of clumping it under a desktop. Look like Windows 10, it's okay-ish. I mean, they got the column okay, but I like the old way of the section of your favorite, your library and computer and network, and actually a home group would be in the section too. So there's a link to download, but it takes you to a form. So if I can find that, or if I can remember finding it, it should be linked to, and I know it's probably under my notes. I'm pretty sure I went past it. I'm pretty sure there it is. Old, new, explore. So you go to a form. If you're lucky to get the download page going, great. But if you can't get this page to download correctly, and it works. So I don't know what was going on earlier ago, so don't know. But so that was kind of weird one. So, but I'm gonna see here. Let's cancel that for one moment, and let me show you if it does not work for you. Let's go to Google. Actually, that gate. I was preparing that earlier ago. That gate paste into Firefox, Google search bar, or the integrated. So I believe I use this link. If it doesn't work out, yeah. So I use the soft petty. What the heck? I'm not good at reading, so did download from the website. There was no add-on or no bloatware with that. So if it doesn't work out, go to that. Just in case if it does not work out for you. Because when I was trying to do this earlier ago, it did not work out for me. So, most of you or most of your web browser might be set up differently. Well, mine will ask me what location do you want to save it to. And maybe some of you that have it that automatically go to the download. So, which I'm probably going to show you, but, if you are small enough to know, or if you're the type person very tedious about your photo or the placement, you can if you want to. So okay, save it. Probably. Oh, then ask me if I want to replace it. Okay, I downloaded the only one to go too. So and we can close that. And another tip too, if you're not good with the file manager, is most of these web browsers would have a way of downloading. So like the web browser I'm using is Firefox, but if you're using Chrome, it might be popping in the down or in the menu. Or if you're using most of these popular web browser should somewhere on the menu should have a download at least. Which Firefox surprisingly don't have a download, but chances are your web browser might. Or you can Google search where is the download history button in your specific web browser if you're using. So, but if you're using Firefox, if you don't know, I did you can click show all download, right click and open the contained folder, and it will take you directly if you don't know where it went download to, so which it will take you to the download if yours was set to automatically. So oh, okay, it did post it below. Oh, I see. It's a WinRAR.zip. Okay. Of course, 7-zip will extract it still, but this is most of you probably are using a different unzip tool. So, but if you don't have, see, can window do it? So it look like being that's a WinRAR. Okay, so if you download if you download from the other side, the soft peda something, if you download that, that'd be a zip. But if you download directly from the form, which is going to be a WinRAR, which you might have to use a third-party unzipping tool to unzip it. So there's two popular ones. So if you don't know, or if you can have somebody unzip it for you, that'd probably be the best option. If you can't download or what, so. But mostly if you download, you probably could download a third party unzipping tool. So yeah, I don't think you can't use. Let's see what happens if I had open with and open all. So no, I don't think window utility is not gonna do that for us. So anyway, so we're gonna unzip it, being that a WinRAR, which if you want to use the window built-in distracting tool, go to the third-party download that I've showed you, which I'm probably overlapping. I'm not sure. Hopefully I make sense. So, and it did extract the heel, which that's okay. And the pretty cool thing is a portable software. So the nice thing is when you install it, or not install it, when you close it, it doesn't continue running in the background. So you just open it and boom, it's right there. And as you can see, I have already installed the no, I haven't installed, but as you can see, I was playing around only ago when it was not cooperating with me. So you do have different options. So we can just go here. So you can say hide that or hide that. So you can play around. So once you select the option, just hit install. And if it does work correctly, the other thing too is every time you make a change, you do have to constantly depend if you have install a cover time, or if you need to tweak a cover time, you do have to constantly reopen and close window File Explorer every time you apply the change. So like window File Explorer, it's still open. So when I hit install, I need to I need to reopen window File Explorer. So if I click install, hit yes, close that, and reopen File Explorer. Oh, okay, never mind, not gonna go back. And look like it is the way Windows 7 was. So if we go to this, actually it's already set to this. But if we go to library, this is the way you had with Windows 7. You got home group, so if you're using home group, you can hit that button. So, or network, pretty cool, like that. So, so I don't know if it works for you. I don't know if it will work for everybody. Oh, and another thing too is I might as well make an overlay footage of the download. So if you don't have the download program in your favorite menu, just hit the down arrow, click on click on your username, and you go to one of your download, and it should be in the downloads, and the unzipping process should be the same I showed you in another folder. So might as well overlay that, or might as well overlay that just in case. So, anyway, I'm hoping this can be somewhat useful, but unfortunately I kind of ran into the issue with this Lenovo laptop. And being I've ran into an issue with the Lenovo, I did have to reset this Lenovo laptop to make sure I'm not making sure I eliminate any issue, should we say. So, you know, and like they said, I don't know if this will work for everybody or not. So, and like I said, there's different way to get window or the window Fire Explorer the way you like it. So, but anyway, you know, if you find it very useful, if you want to follow the YouTube channel, or if you stumble across this YouTube channel, just feel free to click on my username, and once you're on the YouTube homepage, or once you land on my homepage, click on the video tab, and you should see the whole collection of my videos, so you can browse through and watch a vlog or unboxing, whatever your taste is. So, and if the video did interest you, or if you are interested of following this YouTube channel, feel free to subscribe or follow me on Google Plus, whatever works for you. And if you want to get notified, I'm pretty sure Google Plus will notify you, but if you're on YouTube, just make sure you have hit the bell icon. Then once you hit the bell icon, your bell icon would ask you what before way of getting notified. So just fill that out, and Google should be notifying you every time I've uploaded a new video or live stream, one of those two. So it should be up to date if you did hit the bell notification. So give the video a like or dislike, whatever you feel like, you know, if you feel like this video was high production, or if you like the personality I'm putting out, feel free to give it a like. If you don't feel like this is the high quality, if you don't feel like if I don't have any if my personality is not popping out to you, I don't care if you want to give it a dislike or like. So, whatever you feel like, and yeah, check out the video notes below the video. So, um, click on show me more on the video note, because if you don't click on show me more, what's going to end up happening is you're going to miss out on other links. So, but if you did click on show me more on the video notes, channel link or another way, or another channel link to the main channel, then after that, then a channel email address, which you may have to copy and paste, and Amazon wish list. You're welcome to support the channel if you want to. So, from related to Game Gears to PC project, if you want to support. So that's totally up to you. And if you did support the Amazon wish list, you will definitely get a shout out. So if you don't mind a shout out, so then community detective forms. So if you are signed up with one of those community detective forms, feel free to say hi to me. Then if you have any nice positive comments, if you have a very encouraged comment, or if you have something, if you want to point out something, or something nice to say, feel free to post them below the video. So then yeah, that's pretty much it. So I will catch you next time. Hopefully the next project will be trouble-free, okay?